Space is constantly sending signals. Most of them are easy to explain. But every once in a while, astronomers detect something that doesn't make sense. A signal that appears out of nowhere. A signal that breaks the rules. A signal so strange that scientists spend years trying to understand it. These are some of the most disturbing signals ever detected in space. And every one of them is real. Let's start with BLC-1. In 2019, scientists searching for signs of intelligent life were observing Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun. Then something unusual appeared. A narrow radio signal, coming from the exact direction of the star. Researchers couldn't immediately explain it. The signal didn't behave like typical space interference. For a short time, some scientists wondered if humanity had finally detected evidence of alien technology. This is a visualization of the BLC-1 signal. Eventually, researchers found evidence that the signal most likely originated from human technology. But for a brief moment, the possibility felt very real. Then came a signal that completely changed astronomy. The Lorimer Burst, discovered in 2007. It lasted only a few milliseconds. Yet during that tiny fraction of a second, it released an unbelievable amount of energy. Scientists had never seen anything like it before. This was the first fast radio burst ever discovered, and nobody knew what caused it. This is a representation of the Lorimer Burst. Even today, fast radio bursts remain one of the biggest mysteries in astronomy. But things got even stranger. In 2022, astronomers detected a signal unlike anything they had seen before. A long period transient. Every 20 minutes, it released a powerful burst of radio energy. Then it disappeared. Then it returned again. And again. The problem? No known object should behave this way. Scientists were forced to rethink existing theories. This is a representation of the long period transient signal. Then researchers found something hiding near the center of our galaxy. A mysterious object known as ASKAP J173608.2. The object would suddenly become bright, then vanish completely. Sometimes it appeared active. Sometimes it disappeared for months. Nobody knew exactly what it was, and nobody expected its behavior. This is a visualization of the signal. The deeper scientists looked, the stranger the universe became. Then came one of the most powerful objects ever discovered, a magnetar, known as SGR 1935+2154. Magnetars are dead stars with magnetic fields so powerful, they can distort reality around them. In 2020, this magnetar produced a burst so intense that it shocked astronomers around the world. For the first time, scientists linked a fast radio burst to a magnetar. This is a representation of that event. But space wasn't finished surprising us. Astronomers later discovered giant circles visible only through radio telescopes. Not planets, not galaxies. Massive circular structures floating in deep space. They became known as odd radio circles, ORCs. Nobody predicted them. Nobody expected them. And nobody fully understands them. This is what scientists detected. And finally, one of the strangest mysteries of all. Tabby's star, a star located more than 1,400 light-years from Earth. Astronomers noticed something unusual. The star's brightness would suddenly drop, then recover, then drop again. The pattern made no sense. Some people even suggested the possibility of alien megastructures, a giant artificial structure orbiting the star. Most scientists believe a natural explanation is more likely, but the mystery captured the world's attention. This is a visualization of the strange signal pattern. Maybe every signal has a natural explanation. Maybe some mysteries simply take longer to solve. But one thing is certain. The universe is far stranger than we once believed. And somewhere out there, the next unexplained signal may already be traveling toward Earth right now.